Tēnā koutou e te iwi wānui, no mai uki mai ki te wāpā reka reka, your midday show. And of course, we still see ourselves in lockdown 4, and with COVID-19, the numbers aren't going down either. And of course, how do we keep ourselves healthy, wealthy, and wise? And online with me, I have a well-known community member within Ngārua Hine, and lovely to talk to you. And I have John Kahu, Ngārua Hine born, Ngāti Haua te hapu, tā uti nui te marae. Nō reira, John, tēnā koe.
Kia ora. Kia ora.
Kia ora. Listen, it's really lovely to have you on board with us today on Te Wāpā Reka Reka, on Te Korimako o Taranaki. You're a great man amongst your people. So was your father. And you're doing the same thing as what he's doing. You're helping people with their well-being, and of course, with to be healthy, wealthy, and wise, I suppose, John.
Yeah.
Tell us some of those. You tell us some of those things about your dad.
Well, back in them days, I didn't have no tarangas, and he had all the knowledge. As we know, he had all the knowledge, and I was only a young fella growing up, learning the ropes, and I wouldn't listen. Hence, this is where I am now. But I feel it's the right time, and I feel right. I don't know everything. I don't know anything, but I think it's the right time for me now to go and sort of carry on the mahi he did, you know. And that goes for koro too. Our koro.
And just to pay tribute to your dad and your koro, you tell us who their names are.
My father's John Hoani Kahupukuro. My koro is Kawa Kahupukuro.
Tēnā koe. Mihi atu ki a rātou mākua we e atu ki te pō, John. Absolutely wonderful. And of course, you're not a man to, to sit down and watch TV, 8 hours a day. And we're talking about exercise here, John. Tell us a few things that's, maybe that wānau need to pick up on, and what we need to do in lockdown.
Well, I was very fortunate. I've always loved playing sports. I wasn't very good in the classroom, but I always loved playing sports. It didn't matter what sport it was. I always loved getting outside and playing sports, and that sort of stuck with me right up till now. Even though we're in lockdown, but I think I still sort of make time for myself to get out there. I don't run as much now, but I do a lot of walking, especially in Manaia. There's a lot of little streets you can go up and down without seeing anybody, without interrupting anybody else's bubble. But it's good. Even to go for a bike ride, there's a lot of little side roads in Manaia, around Manaia area, where you can just shoot up the road for half an hour, and you run into nobody. As opposed to when everything back to normal. Well, there we go. Everyone was on the road. Yeah.
And you don't have to be fit to have to go out and take a walk, nera, John.
No. Usually take a bag, and if you see some puha, well, you got to go and pick it there.
I'll tell you what, that's really good advice. Go get some puha while you're going out for a walk, nera. That's awesome. That's awesome. There's a lot of our wānau that the invalids, they're either in the wheelchair or finding it hard to even just walk around the house. What's some good advice that you can give to them?
Well, even going to the mailbox is good. It's good. Just take your time, and the time is not an issue. It's just about getting to the mailbox, turning around, coming back, have a cup of tea. These types of things.
Yeah.
It's just making our minds, it's getting our minds to operate to do it. to actually do
Yeah,
it.
exactly. No, you're so right. And of course, talking about walking and running and biking. Of course, I reflect back on my partner Robert, and of course, you were one of his trainers at Kiwano. You played a
Yeah,
big part in Kiwano as well. Tell us about that.
yeah. Well, when well, a few years ago when I was doing the Ironman, and there's some others around Hawera, like Debbie Naora Packer, and Justine Stewart. They wanted to have a go,
Mm.
and so we sort of teamed up and opened it up to anybody who like-minded or mad people out there. Come and come and train with us. Come and share our
Yeah.
journey. Wasn't about ourselves. It was about everybody's journey. Just to talk with them, to support them.
And tell me, when you first started, right up until our first lockdown, you had quite a few people coming in, didn't you?
Yeah.
And
There
of
was
course,
there was
yeah, carry on.
well, we're still going. Obviously we're not going now at the moment because of the lockdown. But yeah, when we got back into it, when it came back to normal, we started the gym up again, and right up until now, where this Delta's come in, we've just stopped it again. But no, we just sort of, with all the groups we've had, we sort of try and keep in touch with them, making sure they're all right, everything's all right, and there's still a couple out there still training, still training for Ironman and half Ironman and Iron Molding, all these types of things, events. Yeah.
So tell us, what does it take? I mean, Kiwano, of course, the goal was to enter into the Iron Māori triathlon. Iron Māori. Tell us, what does it take to have to do that?
Well, I think bit of determination, bit of the will to go out there and do it. It's not hard. It's only as hard as what you make it.
Yeah.
Like I say, time's not an issue. Long as you finish, get over that finishing line. Especially now with the Iron Māori, it's not the first guy that comes in first. We just total the last people that come in, just as well as the first guy. It's about participating in, being part of this culture. Yeah.
So how do you feel when you see these ones that have never ever done it before, and they cross that line at the end?
Oh, I love it. I love it. Brings tears to my eyes because and especially around here, you see all your whānau, they haven't done any exercise for a while, but they're out there doing it. They're trying, and
Yeah.
That's better than watching, the world class people who do Ironman, the guys that win it and all that. I rather watch us, our people who done for the first time, whatever, and just to take part of it.
Well, that's a compliment. That's a compliment coming from you, John.
Yeah.
That's a compliment coming from you. Now, okay, so we have our Iron Māori. Now, you're very well known in the Ironman arena as well, John. So, taking it to that higher level, how many times have you done the Ironman?
5.
5 times.
Yeah.
When was your first time? How old were you?
Oh, I was 59. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
59.
Yeah.
So, I'll tell you what, you're never too old, I suppose. That's what you're saying.
That's right, mate. That's right, because But when you do Ironman, there's people out there who are older. They're in the 70s, 80s, Oh, they're just magic, And like I say,
did that inspire you?
Pardon?
Did that inspire you seeing older ones doing it?
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Because I think
So
things when you do things like that, you get your whole family there. Like I've been fortunate that all my kids and my muckles all come to watch. And they're all a big part of it too. And the same with all the other people that do it.
Yeah.
Do these types of exercises. Yeah. No.
So getting back to our kōrero, talking about exercising while we're in this lockdown, and I mean, a lot of us aren't fortunate to have what do you call them? Those exercise walking, I don't know, things that you have in your house. Terrible, John? Treadmills or bikes, exercycles. But like you said, get out, just go for a little walk, and do that 5 times a day, Nera? Yeah. All good. Okay, so, what do you want to say to your whānau? What do you want to say to Ngā Ruahine, to everybody, actually? What are some wise words that you can leave with our whānau?
Just stay safe, stay healthy, and look after each other. And we do, we do, because we all look after each other as Māori, and stay safe,
and stay safe.
Endless.
Ka pai.
Yeah.
Ka pai.
Yeah.
Pai ana tērā kōrero, John. And like I say, some of those ones that are up there in terms of the triathlons, and I'm talking about Alf Robson and that's I'm sure that they're dying to get out there again and restart again, and
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, listen, it's been really great talking to you. Again, just go for a little walk, and if you're having problems with walking around, just go up to the letterbox, Yeah. And keep your mind ticking over.
Yeah. All good.
All good. And any other advice, food-wise? Because people are eating a lot of food while they're in COVID-19, while we're in this lockdown, John.
I know you're talking to them. Yeah. No.
Me too.
Yeah. I'm trying to keep my head out of the fridge and the cupboard. It's pretty hard.
Pretty hard.
Yeah. But,
yeah.
Just take
so
it
as long
easy,
as So as long as you've got vegetables in the fridge.
Yeah, vegetables, fruits, all that good food. Oh, and puha.
And puha. And go and take your walk and get some puha. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, listen,
you can find your own.
Oh no, the whole world's watching this. But again, just my last question that I want to ask you, and I suppose while I've got this opportunity, because you're a very humble man, you're not one to praise yourself in front of anybody. But I think it's really important to know that for our communities out there, especially for our Ngā Ruahine communities out there, the actual what you've done in your life, and that's really important for many, many people. And I just want to mihi to you for that. Koia tēnā. And see, it's not that hard to have a kōrero with me, John.
I'll speak to you later.
You speak to me later. Okay, hey, listen, nei rā tāku e tuku atu te aroha ki a koutou, kia kōrua, ko Susie, koutou te wānau, tā uti nui ki Ngāti Haua me Ngā Ruahine, tātou o te maunga puta noa ki wā I ke ki tā wā I anō oki. It's been really great talking to you. You're a man of few words, but you show it in your hands. And I just want to thank you very much for coming on board with us. one last thing. What's those tohu that we have to do? What do we have to do while we're in lockdown?
Oh, yeah, take it easy, be kind to each other. Yeah, yeah. And look
And
after
keep
yourself.
healthy. And look after yourself.
Yeah.
And keep healthy, wealthy, and hopefully wise.
And wise.
Ka
Yes.
pai. No runga I tērā,
Yeah.
no runga I tērā, nei rā tāku e tuku atu te reo wakamihi ki a koe. In the meantime, please be safe. Please be safe with whatever you do. You and Susie.
Yeah.
And give our love to all at wānau. No reira kia koutou e te wānau. I've been talking to John Kahu for many of you out there that know him. He's a very humble man, but has done a lot in his lifetime as well. And helping us with exercises, what to do, he māmanoa te mai. But nei rā tāku, a Lady Di e mihi atu nei ki a koutou katoa. No reira tēnā koutou, a tēnā koutou, a tēnā no tātou katoa.